Hello, everybody. It's Divestments coming to you with another short video. Today, I'm going to be talking about opening your brokerage account. As always, please subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. My videos are for education and information purposes only. This is not investment advice. So, in my last video, I talked about turning your bank account into an ATM. So let's talk about how you go about doing that. So the first thing that you want to do is we need to open up a brokerage account. Okay, a brokerage account is a little different than your average, bank account, but you can use it like an average bank account. Okay, so your initial deposit is going to be $230. Okay, because that $230 is going to be what we're going to get started with. We're going to start with a small account. Okay, if you have more to put in your brokerage account, feel free to do so. But for those of you who want to start with the small amount, $230, you can do that. And you can save while you're learning. So again, you can use your brokerage account. Once you open it up, you can use it as your savings account. You can just put, squirrel away, $20 here, $40 there, $30 there until you get up to that $230 or more. And you're going to continue to, put money into that brokerage account while you're learning. Okay. So as I said before, a brokerage account can be a check, you can use it as a checking account. You can use it as your savings account. You can use it as your 401k savings for retirement later on down the line. You can open up individual accounts as well as joint accounts. Okay. You can also link this brokerage account to other bank accounts that you have, to where you can just automatically link it to another checking account that you have or another savings account that you have. And all you do is just do an ACH from one account to the other. So you will be taking out your brokerage account, taking your profits out your brokerage account, and putting it into another checking or savings account of your choice. Or you can leave it in the brokerage account again, and you can use that to pay your bills. If it's a checking account, you can use it as a savings account or a retirement account, like I said before. Okay, you can open these brokerage accounts. You can open them online. You can do paper, or if you have a TD Ameritrade or a Schwab office in your area, you can go right into the office and open up a brokerage account. I personally use Schwab. Okay, that's where my brokerage account is. It's with Schwab, and this is what I use, and I have been using Schwab for a while. Schwab, I haven't had any problems with it. So that's schwab.com, schwab.com. Okay. Let me help you open up your brokerage account today. All right. And the reason why I said let me help you is because when you're opening up the brokerage account, they ask you certain questions about the account that you want to answer the questions a certain way. Because if you answer them a certain way, they won't restrict your trading on your account. They'll allow you to, automatically be able to trade. They won't put any restrictions on your account. So let me help you do that. So divestments gives you options. Ask me how to turn your bank account into an ATM with as little as $230. I can be reached at divestments.com. Make your last deposit today.